thank all the media persons who are present here. Today, RCC Platinum, this year being the 20th year, we are installing 101 RO plants, and we complete installation of 11 RO plants this year. And we feel that, basic need like water, which itself is missing in various schools and hospitals. And as a club of 161 Rajasthani youths, we are coming forward and under the scheme of Kankaria Family Trust, we are installing water RO plants across various needy institutes. This is a CSR activity, and we have many corporates also who have joined hands with us towards this mission.
We have other community clubs, who are donating food, who's donating clothes, but we are the only institution who are donating clean, safe drinking water. We not only install, we maintain it for 5 years, and we make sure that this journey of providing clean, safe drinking water continues to many beneficiaries across Chennai and its districts.
We are launching a project called Indradhanush, in which we will be taking 2,000 underprivileged children to Vandalur Zoo for a day activity. Everything will be sponsored from our side, from pin to pin, from pick up to drop, and it will be a mega event for the 20th year of RCC Platinum.